Sometimes simple is good. This Pro Street 66 Nova is literally brilliant proof of that philosophy. With a distinct lack of flashy graphics or questionable body modifications clouding its ominous black paint, this Chevy stands out not because of what's there, but because of what isn't. All Chevys are cool, but it's always nice to see a Nova get this level of love. That said, you really cannot argue with the clean lines of the second generation Chevy 2. And this car retains 100% factory correct sheet metal with the exception of 67 Nova fenders and a steel cowl induction hood. During a professional rotisserie restoration, that metal was fully straightened and carefully aligned. And sinister black two-stage is deep, rich, and free from any distracting metallics or pearls. Between the doors, a custom hand-built cage cradles a custom leather interior. 5-point harnesses hug tall Corbeau buckets. A custom dash plants a full array of autometer gauges between billet foot pedals and premium Ron Francis wiring. The console looks right at home, framing vintage air conditioning, switches for power windows, and an angled ratchet shifter. And a half-wrapped Budnick wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find one of the largest big blocks GM has ever created. A 572 cubic inch monster that cranks out 621 horsepower on pump fuel. A cool TH400 3-speed employs a trans brake and sends power back to a braced 9-inch with a Detroit locker. It's impossible to guess how many hours it took to construct this amazing Chevy, but given the lengthy list of equipment that went into its build, our asking price probably wouldn't even cover the components, let alone the labor. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.